Be ready to witness history as the best wig install you ever seen in your life. Need a flawless 5-minute install wig? I got you, sis. By this point, you should have already caught up on this little series I got going on. We already went ahead and bleached these knots to perfection for the dark skinned girlies. All complexion bleach process definitely coming soon, so stay tuned. And now that this elastic band is put on, now it's time for the install. You're looking at this lace spray like, oh, okay, it's that type of install. Got you, psych. This method is about to change your life, throw you off, and keep you wondering like, what the hell is LaRasia doing all the time? If you put that lace spray inside of your wig, if you have a moist hairline and you lay this wig down with an elastic band, the lace spray on the lace will adhere to your forehead and your hairline. Crazy, simple, right? Why didn't I think of this before? I don't know. I use a skin protector as my moisture base, but you can literally go in with something as simple as water. Every single time that lace spray underneath the wig gets moist, it's going to stick and adhere to your head. As long as you tie it down with an elastic band, you are definitely going to be good to go until you wash this wig. I just camouflaged my hairline with some makeup. I didn't have any actual product on this brush. It was just leftover from when I did my makeup earlier. I'm also going to go in with a hot comb. I actually got this hot comb from one of my subscribers about 2 or 3 years ago. I cannot remember her name, but girl, if you are watching this video, thank you so much. And then I also just cut the ends of the wig. I just think cutting the ends and having those ends be super blunt is the last touch to just making that wig look perfection. Per you guys' request, I am going to be doing another video, this time